125, dude?
Yes, sir.
YZ 125, baby.
Yes,
Let's go.
sir.
The shipper came up on God.
Damn. And it just fit. It's gone. Hey.
Had it before we stopped right here.
Exactly.
But we just searched everywhere, bro.
Waffle House over here for real though. They don't pipe though, y'all. They don't pipe though, y'all. But you know it's real when the darn time dog. Y'all see where we at D-Town. Finna get this break in procedure right. Goddamn, dog.
Really, nigga? Nope.
It did. Boy, yeah, freshy.
I promise if you straight, you buy me a new one. I swear.
You gotta have a little stuff.
No, I don't want that shit, bro. Nigga, you like that shit.
That shit is
Bro said
No,
goddamn.
it's not, nigga.
that shit is the extra flavor that everybody
That shit is extra ass.
What's going on, guys? Let me come in with a quick voiceover. But yeah, man, y'all see where we at. Back on that track that broke. Wayne just can't let it go, dog. It's all good, though. I'm gonna go ahead and rock it. You know, take my time on it. I'm still on break-in mode anyway.
Have my gas off. Oh shit, don't fall on me. Don't light run. I got the keys with me today. Got me a little easy today, bro. Let me back up, Well, that motherfucker good and dusty. Yeah. That's the. They said Wayne language right there, ain't it, bro?
It's because our race day won't be on fast. This dude right here, on the other hand.
Oh yeah. Yes, Lord. I got that power back.
Oh, man.
Talk to my boy, too, right here.
You're the YZ 125, dude?
Yes, sir.
YZ 125, baby.
Yes,
Let's go.
sir.
That's, one of these days, I'll have like an 0405 YZ 125.
Right,
I
them
grew up
man.
riding on one of those bikes, dude. You know what you're gonna get with a YZ 125,
Yes,
dude.
sir.
Gnarly friggin' power band, reliable as hell.
Yes.
How'd you guys make it big, man? Look at that.
Huh?
How'd you guys make it big?
He made it big. We all still trying to get.
I'm here like 432 subscribers, dude. Keep putting it out. Awesome.
Alright, y'all, look, check it out. Wayne done found that track. Wayne done found that track we've been looking for y'all for about 3 weeks. So here it is, man. I ain't gonna cap. I never rode it before, so I'ma just roll it. Ain't no point in coming out here, man, trying to hit no track for the first time. Fully pinned. You gonna be right on them trees. You heard? Anyway, yeah, man, so check the track out, man. If you never rode it before, this is it. I can't tell you the instructions how to get there because I didn't pay attention. But yeah, man, you see where it's at. Look for it. Find it.
My damn arm popping like a bitch, man. Oh, shit. That's it, bye.
Let's go back to the truck before we came in for, bro. Hey, ain't no, that shit funny.
That shit fun.
Hey, bro,
Yeah.
You said I almost failed coming out there out the turn.
Right.
That shit fucked me. I was like, fuck.
Going to rail that hole like you got down power and go straight to third. You coming off at third on that motherfucker?
I tried to get in third, but
That shit tight.
it's like the last second.
That shit got the rear, yeah.
You're like, ah. It's just a look because you can't see the other side, bro.
I need to go hit other jumps and then I'll hit that like
Bro, that shit probably easy. That's easy.
That's a problem that I'm facing. All the time that I wasted, all the mistakes that I'm making. Can't stop me from chasing your life. Just trust me, the prettiest girls I know.
Shit, what the fuck was that? God damn. Someone broke my thumb.
All the memories I hate. Should've known you was special.
Damn.
All the time that I waited. Change, but you never would. You always did the same. No, I never should've asked you.
Yes, sir. That boy looked at that boy like, what was that? Good smoothies, man. I need one. A Waffle House over here for real, though. They don't pipe though, y'all. They don't pipe though, y'all. But you know what real, when the darn time dog. Hey, who the hell is that? Who? That's who? What? And it just fit, it's gone.
I can't find that shit nowhere.
And that's crazy, I had a 250 shifter in my bag.
Crazy is, the nigga had it before we stopped right here.
Exactly.
But we just searched everywhere, bro.
God damn, this thing hurt. Like...
When I put on with Wayne, I like.
How you finna start it? Oh, shit first. What year is it?
So that motherfucker sound like he probably right in sticking or some shit.
Damn, that's ass.
What gear that shit in? Huh?
And then what?
That's that case that don't feel
See, that's that. That's that one. I just ain't finna do it because my shoulder still broke. Little bro. Boy, that's that one on the end.
Yeah. That shit dipped me. It's a certain way you gotta hit that bitch at the ankle.
It's a kick on that land lip. So what it is?
It kicked the back tire like
As soon as you kick, you gotta gas out and level the bike back. That shit almost killed me two summers back. That's why I said,
Nah, Donna, wow, what the fuck?
He said it's his first time, bro.
Get the fuck out of here.
What he just did?
He hit both of them bitches. Both of them bitches.
Oh shit.
Oh, nah.
What the fuck?
Oh, nah. Oh, nah.
You need to stop. Get in them bitches.
What? That boy got that. Get in them bitches. Hey, you talking about, boy? Boy. All I see was me like, what the fuck?
Y'all nigga why I start coming dirt, bro?
Oh, God. Nah, he right. He just got it right.
Hey, I know you heard when you took out. I know you like, ooh, he on my ass. Only thing that fucked me up, your little brother in that.
Not the move.
Man, my boy done broke the shifter, man. They come and find one, but then dark time stepped up, man. They got clutch cables for y'all now. Got sprockets over there. Come on, man. Little pro tape session. Big stickers. Brake system. Don't play with them. Yeah. Except boy done bust their head on the boots, the dukes. You know, see, that's how we rocking right here, you know. What you got? Boy, I had to swing. Gotta go get goddamn little just get out the way. I'm trying to get up out there, nigga. I'm bad as hell, goddamn. But yeah, y'all see what's going on, man. That's the end of this.